Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix crashing and not launching issues in Mortal Kombat 1. First is to press on the Windows plus X on your keyboard and then click on the device manager. Okay, that's right. And then just click on the display adapters. Okay, and then just right click your display adapters and then click on the update driver and then search automatically for drivers. So since updated drivers are already installed on my PC, so I don't have to look for any updated drivers. So the next thing that you should do is to go to your settings, okay? And then head on to the system. And then click on the power and battery. That's right. Now find your power mode and then change this one into best performance. Now go back to your system and then go to your display and then scroll down until you see the graphics and then just click on it. So here just look for Mortal Kombat 1 application, but since we did not install it, we're just going to use this one. So just click it and then select the option and then select the high performance option. So right after that, your problem will be solved. So there are many ways on how to fix the issue, but these two methods are the best. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.